Alright guys, so today we're going to put a brand new coil on a Ryobi ry3716 chainsaw. It wouldn't start, so I pulled the air filter. I guess I didn't put that air filter on right, but cover on right. But anyways, I pulled this off and somehow the wire has been cut off. So somebody messed with something. The kit comes in a, I'll put it in the link below. It's a whole brand new coil with new wires and everything. It's in Amazon, super cheap. Just click on the link below and it'll be right there. So see, it comes with brand new coil and the two wires. No big deal. All right, recoil we're gonna take off is 1, 2, 3 bolts, T25 torque 25. It's a little star guys, or a flathead screwdriver. Just take them off. Pop the recoil off. We got another torque 25 up here on the top that's holding it. Get that out. Pop it off. Plastic guy here. See the red wire. We're going to use the old wires. I mean, if you see like fraying or anything like that, then you're going to want to take them off. But there's no fraying or nothing. See the coils right here, and it goes down, up, and through the plug wire goes up through there. So, and there's a rubber boot right here. So we're gonna unplug this wire here. This is the red wire. The black wire won't be used, I don't believe. It's gonna be 2 screws. I think they're T25s again. Yep, T25s. We're gonna pop them off. Ooh, those are tight. Oh yeah. Careful, don't strip them out. Alright, take them out. We're just gonna go ahead and grab this coil, lift it right on out of there. Gone. Then we're gonna take the new coil. We're gonna take the wire, the coil wire, and shove it up in. Get it up into this area here. And then I just used needle nose pliers and grabbed it there and then pulled it up through so that it's it's a kind of a stiff, tough one to get. Go ahead and plug it in, and you got it set in place where it belongs there. Then we're gonna bring this up. I'm gonna set it in place like this. We're gonna get 2 bolts started in there. Do not tighten them down, just get them started. So then you're going to get the magnet down here. You're going to pry the coil so it's all the way back. You're going to stick a business card in between the coil and the flywheel. Get that stuck in there, and then you're going to slowly turn the magnet towards the coil like this. You're going to get it lined up with the coil, and then you can push the coil up against the flywheel nice and tight. Once you've gotten it tight against there, you're going to want to hold it tight against there and then tighten the 2 bolts that are holding it into place. Tighten them down. Alright, and then we're going to take the rubber grommet, push it right up into place like that. Pull the business card out. You got a nice perfect gap there now so that it won't hit. Then we're going to set this back in kind of in place. Whoops. Not completely in place, so that we can get this wire run the way it goes back on in the plastic. Once you've gotten that in place, go ahead, plug the wire into the coil. This is your kill wire. This is what shuts it off. And now you've gotten all that lined up. You can line this all up. That's all lined up. Now we can get the recoil back in place. Now when you set it down where it goes, you have to pull the string a little bit, and then it drops right down in all the way. Then you put your 4 screws back in. Get them all in this container here. 4 screws are all the same size. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them all back in. Alright, so now it's got spark and it wants to fire and run, but it's stalling out. I think it needs a slight carburetor adjustment. That'll be a whole nother video. If you look up ry3716 carb adjustment, you'll find that. But now it's got spark. Hope this helped you out. If it did in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.